Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my blog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. It's 4:13. 4:13 and today is Friday, 2022 of November everyone. Ayan, mahangin ngayon. Full day ako out. Walang nap time today. Ayan na. Super mahangin everyone. Mahangin, masyadong malamig. Ayan o. Kita nyo yung dahon. Ayan ang focus ko. Ayan o, magalaw. Magalaw ang dahon. May mga lumilipat. Kaya, ayan, ayan. Mahangin ngayon ako. Ayan lang everyone. At nilalamig. Sorry. Nilalamig ang kamay ko. Kailangan ipasok sa bulsa. Sa bulsa ng jacket. No? Breezing ang mga car. Oh. Yan lang everyone. God bless. Happy day sa inyong lahat. And maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. God bless everyone. See you after 3 hours and 1 bus and 15 minutes everyone. Ay, close road pa rin dito. Medyo matagalan tong ginagawa dito everyone. Update lang sa inyo sa kalagayan ng isang single mom dito sa UK. Bye at the moment. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Stay, don't go. We have a meeting everyone. Good afternoon everyone. 3:30 na. So, waiting for the train to I going to land Liverpool, I mean. So, ayan lang everyone. For my second job. Tapos, nakalagay doon is 3:55. Ay, 3:45 I think. Yeah, it's already 3:35. But the train is coming at 3 in 3 minutes. Yan lang, pero it's too cold here. Grabe, oh. Grabe, ano, lamig. Ang lamig, as in, ang lamig. By at the moment, hindi ko tinignan yung yung degrees. Tingnan natin. 6. Kaya lang, syempre, parang countryside na to. Kaya, ayan ang kliman, diba? Parang countryside na to, diba? Kaya, ayun. As in, hello everyone. Nako. Minor delay daw. Minor delayed. Thank God it's Friday nga pala ngayon. TGIF. Yan, TGIF tayo. Na everyone, ang aking terrain, mind the gap between the train and the platform. Ayan yan. Oh. Hello everyone! Maaga pa, 16:28. Andito na kami, Sister Myrel din. Hello ladies, hope everyone is safe, being blessing day. Oh, ayan na naman si Sister, nagpaparamdam na naman. Thank God it's Friday today, so last work tonight, and then ayan, 4:30 na. Bye at the moment. See you later after 4 hours and many walks ngayon. Parang pagod. Yan everyone. Good evening. 8:10 ngayon. Narinig nyo ba yung bell? Diba? Oh, gabing-gabi na may ano pa. May mga ano. May mga turista. Grabe ang tiyaga nila, di ba? Grabe. Ay, sarado na si Subway. Aga na ba sanang ano? Potato sa alan. They cleaning already. So, yun lang everyone. Sakay tayo ng train. At see you after 2 train. Bye at the moment. Good evening everyone. Sabi ko, ang kakainin ko ay fish and chips, pero hindi ko gusto yung fish, kaya chicken and chips na lang. Bongga. Kumuha lang ako ng kanin. Tapos, ayan lang. And tanggol, everyone. Anong oras na? Wow. Late night na. Yun lang. Good night. God bless and I love you all. Dahil grabe na. Talagang gutom at pagod.